it's not quite right direction.
Ready? I ain't moving, see? No, it's moving, I can see it. Not enough, is it?
Try putting 2 wedges up.
Smack wedges, right?
Lay some sawdust down. See exactly what's. Must have been a doddle.
Did it cut you, girl?
No, that side's nearly through. I've gone a bit, I've kind of missed it both sides of it. So that. I'll show you what I'll do.
Not wedges in.
No, I'll show you what I'll do. Don't pull it, what have you done? Don't pull. What I do? Like that.
Nothing.
Oh god, this should have been easy. Easy, ready? Go! Go in.
There's nothing.
I've got a double wedge.
Are they right in?
Yeah. Because you've got no branches on. You know, if you counterbalance with it. That's good, isn't it?
No!
Joe, was it? Run to it. It's coming. Oh, we missed.
Wasn't as long as there was that.